Alright, we are going to be looking at a character definition program for the TI-99 4A. It can be found in Section 3, page 26 of your user's reference guide. It's very useful when you are doing any kind of graphics rendering or anything of the like. Anyway, let's go ahead and check it out. I've already programmed it and saved it onto a disk. So what we're going to do, I'm going to try to see if I can find this disk here real quick. Okay. Let's go in here and we'll go to TI Basic. It's a basic program. We don't need to use Extended Basic. It would probably run just fine in Extended Basic though. TI Basic ready. Okay. And it gives us a little caret down there. So what I'm going to do, let's see. I'm going to take this disk, this program disk, and insert it into my floppy drive, just like that. Alright. Now we're going to call up the information from the disk and put it into TI memory. So how we do that is we type in OLD, and I'm sorry about the black lines, I can't do much about that just now. Disk 1, DSK1 dot CHARDEF, character definition. Alright, now let's hit enter, and what it's going to do is it's going to turn on my disk controller, turn on my disk drive, and then a new caret will pop up right there. That means that the information is loaded, and we'll clear the screen. Okay, now that we've cleared the screen, let's go ahead and run the program. Type in RUN and hit enter, and as soon as that new caret pops up, or as soon as that run goes away, we'll know that the character, here we go, green screen, auto character definition, and it pulls up an 8x8 grid. I know the black lines are kind of annoying. I'll try to work through them. What it says here basically is if you hit 0, it'll keep the block white, and if you hit 1, it'll make it dark. So when you're defining a character, this is very useful. And here's why. Instead of having to sit there and strain your eyes and get the hex code, all we got to do is type in zeros and ones. So let's start with a pretty simple one. We'll do 1. We're going to make a cross here, just because it's easy. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And then we'll do a 1 there. And do a 1 there. Do a 1 there. Okay, rest of them will be zeros. So before I hit this last 0, I'm going to explain to you what this is going to do. By reading what I've just inputted with 1s and 0s, it's going to do a couple of things. First of all, it's going to show me in a small character right about here. It's going to show me what my actual character is going to look like in actual size. Below that will be a 9-character grid. It's going to show me all the exact same characters. And then also right here next to this, it's going to show me my hexadecimal, my hex code, which is 16 letters and numbers that define the character. Let's hit this last 0 and watch it work. Now it's working and operating. Okay, there's my code. Now let's see if I can scoot in here for just a second, and let's see if I can show you up close. That's the actual size. And we can press Q to quit or press any other key to continue. So we'll press Q to quit, and then it ends my screen. So we'll call clear. And now let's list the program. And if at any point you feel like pausing the video and writing this down, if you don't have a user's reference manual, you're more than welcome to. All this information is applicable to either the TI-99 4A or the emulators that are available, like V9T9, PC99, all that stuff. Let's list this program. Okay. So as you can see, it's just a bunch of basic code, TI basic code. There's going to be 102 lines. It's a 102-line program, and I typed all this in by hand. It's worth every second, worth every keystroke, because it saves my eyes when I'm trying to write for. And I'll pull those programs up in a little bit where I develop my own characters, develop my own graphics, because I'm actually creating a game for the TI-99. A friend of mine and I. And that's the program right there. So it is available in Section 3, page 26 of the User Reference Guide, character definition.